Your ArcCapture camera comes standard with a 12mm lens. We'll show you how to change to an optional 8 or 16mm lens. So first you're going to take the front cover lens off. Okay? And then you're going to unscrew the 4 screws on the camera. At this time, you can also unscrew the 2 screws on the front. Antennas down, and slide the cover back, really revealing the inside. This front cover can then move out of the way, revealing your lens underneath. You can then unscrew this lens completely from the camera. Now we're going to switch over the protective silicone boot and spring to the new lens. To do this, the silicone boot just slides right on off, and the spring slides off. You can then reinstall it on the new lens and center it up, just like that, ready to reinstall. Now it's time to reinstall the new lens into the camera. To do this, you're going to take your camera with the lens and just screw it back in, being cautious not to cross thread, like that. And then start to reinstall this front plate, aligning the screws and screwing it down. There's one, and there's 2. Now, push the cover up, retighten the 4 screws on the outside of the camera, your antennas, and finally, your protective mount and cover lens. If you have any questions or require any additional information on how to change your protective cover lens, reference your owner's manual.